If you're looking for ways to supplement your income, you're not alone. Many people are on this journey seeking flexible side jobs fitting their skills and schedule. This video is your guide, especially when you're on tight budget. It presents 15 great options from freelancing to gig economy roles to enhance your income without affecting lifestyle. We've curated these options carefully, considering their feasibility and profitability. With us, you'll navigate this world of side jobs efficiently, making the most of your time and effort. So are you ready? Let's dive into the world of side hustles, shall we? Before jumping into a side job, it's vital to identify your skills and interests. It's like launching an expedition. A properly planned strategy can save you valuable resources. Begin by assessing your abilities and what you love doing. Are you proficient with numbers? Bookkeeping or data analysis could be your niche. Or maybe you have a flair for producing captivating content. Blogging or social media strategies could be your ideal route. Reflect on your leisure activities and passions as well. Fitness enthusiast? Consider becoming a certified trainer. Gifted with a green thumb? Offering gardening services could be the perfect fit. The crux of this process is contemplating how to use your abilities and interests to generate additional income. In this pursuit, it's also crucial to recognize your limitations. Understanding what you're not as adept at can help you steer clear of unnecessary stress and disillusionment. Always remember, the most fruitful side job is one resonates with your talents and preferences. But it's also about finding a balance between what you're great at and what you love. With a little self-awareness and strategic thinking, can find the ideal side job. Remember, the best side job is the one that aligns with your interests and skills. The internet has opened up a plethora of opportunities for freelancing. This realm is where your talents, whether in writing, design, coding, or virtual assistance, can flourish. Platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer function as marketplaces, linking freelancers with clients who need their expertise. Imagine utilizing your writing skills to craft content for websites, blogs, or even ebooks. Suppose you're skilled at creating attractive designs, logos, or infographics. There's a place for that too. If you're a tech enthusiast, countless coding and web development projects await you. For those with a knack for organization and administration, the rapidly expanding field of virtual assistants beckons. Here, you're not only free to set your rates but also choose tasks that resonate with your skills and preferences. Freelancing provides the perfect platform where you can align your work with your abilities. Next up are gig economy jobs. These are unique roles where you steer your own professional ship, dictating your hours, work location, and the workload you assume. Imagine platforms such as TaskRabbit, Uber, Lyft, and DoorDash, where you have the liberty to operate on your terms. Focusing on TaskRabbit, it presents opportunity to showcase your skills across a myriad of jobs, from assembling furniture to fixing home issues. It's the perfect platform for those with a knack for resolving problems and a love for hands-on work. Geared towards those who find joy in driving and interacting with a diverse spectrum of people, Uber and Lyft let you use your vehicle to earn money. The platforms offer an excellent way to convert your love for driving into a source of income, working on your terms. And then we have DoorDash. Ideal for those seeking more physical engagement, delivering food through DoorDash can be a fantastic way to earn money while keeping yourself fit. These platforms represent the essence of the gig economy, adaptability and command over your earning power. They're not just about making ends meet, they're about creating a work-life balance that's tailor-made for you. They're about finding work that fits into your lifestyle, not the other way around. So, if you're seeking flexibility and control, then consider these options. Gig economy jobs can be a great way to earn extra income on your own schedule. Another flexible side job option is remote customer service. This flourishing field offers an array of possibilities to those with superior communication skills and a talent for tackling issues. A wide spectrum of industries from tech to e-commerce are persistently seeking remote customer service representatives. Responsibilities can vary from addressing customer queries, resolving technical glitches, to disseminating product details and managing returns. The charm of remote customer service jobs is firmly rooted in their adaptability. They offer the freedom to work at your preferred pace, either part-time or full-time, day or night, thus catering to the company's needs and your personal life. These roles provide an excellent opportunity to balance work and personal commitments effectively. As a remote customer service representative, you can tailor your working hours to your needs, whether that means working during the children's school hours or late at night after they've gone to bed. The choice is yours. offering a level of autonomy seldom seen in traditional job roles. Although some roles may require prior experience, most companies provide comprehensive training, allowing you to hone your skills and gain expertise in the field. All you need to succeed is a stable internet connection, a peaceful workspace, and a dedication to delivering top-notch customer service. This might be your ideal job if you enjoy interacting with people and have a patient and empathetic demeanor. With a decent internet connection and a quiet workspace, you can excel in a remote customer service role. Are you good at a particular subject? Online tutoring could be your calling. In the digital age, education is no longer limited to physical classrooms. The beauty of technology has ushered in the era of online tutoring, revolutionizing the way knowledge is imparted and received, making it accessible from anywhere. Various platforms like Chegg Tutors, Tutor.com, and VIPKid provide an avenue for tutors to interact and teach students globally. Your area of expertise could lie in mathematics, science, English, or even a foreign language. There's a student out there who needs your expertise. You might be wondering, what qualifications do I need? While some platforms necessitate a teaching degree, others just require you to demonstrate proficiency in your subject, making it incredibly flexible and inclusive. The most impressive aspect? You're in control of your schedule. You have the liberty to teach as much or as little as you like, depending on your availability. It allows you to maintain a balance between your professional and personal life. Additionally, it serves as an excellent opportunity for you to revisit and strengthen your own knowledge while assisting others in their learning journey. Regardless of whether you're a retired educator, a university student, or simply someone gifted in a specific subject, online tutoring can be a fulfilling avenue to utilize your knowledge and supplement your income. So, whether you're a retired teacher, a college student, or just someone with a knack for a particular subject, online tutoring can be a rewarding way to share your knowledge and earn extra income. Content creation is another exciting side job option. The digital age has ushered in a wealth of chances for those gifted in generating captivating content. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and blogging websites offer amazing venues to highlight your artistic flair and earn additional income. Let's dissect this. YouTube is an excellent platform for video content, housing everything from instructional guides to video game tours. The scope is limitless. TikTok offers a paradise for brief, entertaining videos that might become viral instantaneously. If you're more inclined towards writing, launching a blog on a subject close to your heart could gradually attract a dedicated audience. So how do you make money from your content? There exist multiple routes, such as advertisements that appear before your video, partnerships with brands, or affiliate marketing where you endorse products and receive a cut from the sales. A golden rule to remember is that success hinges on regularity and authenticity. Content creation can be a lucrative side job if you're creative and consistent. We've covered a lot of ground today exploring various side job opportunities. We began by highlighting the necessity of identifying your skills and interests, the bedrock for selecting the fitting side job. We delved into a spectrum of online freelancing opportunities, followed by exploring gig economy jobs and remote customer service roles. We also delved into the realm of virtual assistants and the rewarding sphere of online tutoring. The potential of stock photography was also addressed, followed by a segment on part-time retail jobs. One cannot exclude the joy of pet sitting and dog walking. We briefly touched upon the simplicity of online surveys and research, and also the active domain of fitness instruction and personal training. To wrap up, we navigated through the exciting world of freelance writing, a field ripe with opportunities. The essence of finding the right side job is to ensure it aligns with your individual skills and interests. So take some time, traverse different avenues, and discover the side job that aligns perfectly with your skills and interests. Good luck.